This is our published conference paper titled on Performance of the Ganges Water Sharing Treaty Effects on Coral Reef in Bangladesh. So here initially we write this paper in Word normally, then we sequentially we make it a paper format. So in this tutorial we'll try to learn how to convert from Word to a paper format. For this, initially in home section, from the style bar you have to create some new style. Like for title we can create a style named on title, then modify, but title name already exists here, so we can rename it title 1, then modify. In general case, the font size of title is increasing, I mean in 14 maybe, so we select here 14 and then select here, and then from last section you can select automatically update. And in general cases, for abstract and keyword we do not use any number or section or subsection. Is starts from the introduction section. So for abstract and keyword we create a style, and let's say the name of this is normal one because normal already exists here. Then modify here and give a font size 12, then bold, and definitely the color is black. Update automatically, and it's okay. For abstract and the keyword, here delete we heading 1, we will create this head 1, so remove from gallery. And but in this section, head section is deleted from here, but here automatically stored, so from here you have to delete also. Revert to body text, and I wanted to delete, so okay. Then from introduction section we have to add some section and subsection also. For that we create some heading, so create a style, then give a name. Let's say this is head 1. You can modify here, but in later option there are, in further we will got another option. From there we can also change the style also. For first heading we select that font is 12, then bold, update automatically, then press OK. We create another 2 heading. Let's say the name is heading 2, and from here modify, and in second heading will decrease the size of font size, then you can give italic, then automatically update, then okay. Then we add 1 or 2 more subsection, but for practice section let's say we add 3 heading. Okay, create a style, then give a name is heading or head 3. From modify section we decrease 1 size of font size, then the remaining portion is okay, and okay. And for figure and table we can create 2 style. For figure, if the name is fig, then modify. For figure section you have to select this bold, italic, this is okay I think. Then automatically update, okay. And for the table section also create a style and give a name is tab, modify 10 bold, okay I think this is also okay. Then automatically update, and we will create some subsection. For creating this subsection, select multi-level list, and then define new multi-level list. Initially open one, I select one, then delete it. We need 1 to 3 this time this way. ABC. This is not a standard way to use in Affinity. So we select one. Then after one, we press a full stop. Here, sometimes you can see more option, then you have to press. Then from set all levels, sometimes you can see some values like 0.25 or 0.25. It is better to do or convert, remove this point, something portion, and convert this 0 inches. And select OK. And follow the number with a space. Sometimes if automatically character is selected, you can change it a space portion. Space portion. Then the first heading is named as head 1. You have to select definitely head 1. Then from this font section, initially though we initially selected the font size and font color, but from this font section you can change the font name like Times New Roman. From here you can select Times New Roman bold or italic size, or I mean the size and the font color. And press OK. Then go to the section 2 and remove here. From here initially you have to press the level 1, then full stop. Then this is our, for heading 2 you have to select number style, and similarly from here you have to select space, then the link with the head 2. So here is our head 2, and the font from font section Times New Roman bold, and the font size is decreasing 12. Sorry, from 12 we convert make it 11, and then font color is already selected. So press OK. Then 3 subsection. Initially delete all things. Then initially level 1, press a full stop and select level 2. Then again a full stop. Then this for the level 3 or heading 3 to select one times. Then here space and the link with head 3. And from this font section, similarly you can change all things. Okay. And finally selected OK. Delete here. So for title, we make our title 1 template. Then select anywhere in a title, then select title portion. For abstract and keyword, we select a normal one. So press here, normal one. So press on keyword, then select normal one. Automatically converted based on the style. For introduction heading, this is our heading 1. So press in introduction, any places in introduction, and select the head 1. Then section 1 came here, introduction. Then this is our heading 1, study area and methodology. So similarly, press anywhere in study area and methodology, then select head 1. This is our study site. Second heading or subsection below the heading 2, heading of study area and methodology. So press study site and select the head 2. This is our figure, and for figure we make a figure section, it automatically selected. In figure section you can convert or remove, you have to remove this portion also. So for removing this, press modify, or no need to press modify, click here and then select none. Automatically remove the portion. Method of calculating environmental flow. This is our heading, second heading. So for second heading, place here. Then in this section, we have four methods, like one is tenant method, FDC method, constantil method. Oh, sorry, three method. So this is our three subsection under 2.2. So this is our heading 3. So click here and select the head 3. Head 1, head 2, head 3. So 2.2, here is 2.2.1. And this is our definitely again head 3. This is also head 3. VCI calculation using Google Earth Engine. This is our head 2. So select head 2. So here the last head 2 is 2.2. Here then the 2.3. Resultant discussion. This is our first heading. So select here first heading. And this is our head 2. And for figure, select press anywhere and select the figure section and remove this from one section. Select figure and remove this, but there is an option from where you automatically you have to update it here. Oh, sorry, I remove this portion. This is our figure 4, though this is our figure 4. Select here and figure, remove this. For this figure, select here. This is our table. For table, we have a table section. Finally, conclusion. This is our another heading, first heading. So for first heading, we select the head 1, and this is our reference. And in reference, we need no need to select it. It's a normal one. In this manner, easily you can convert your Word file to a paper format. So thank you everyone.